Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then hi, my name is Aditi and today I'm going to share a tutorial on this look which I'm wearing right now. It is very festive and very beautiful. You can see I have done a corally orange and pink smoky eyes and it looks so stunning. Like, I personally really like it. This makeup look is very much appropriate for this festive season, especially Diwali, because you know, it's very easy and beginners friendly. I've tried not to complicate this makeup look and I really hope you guys will enjoy watching this video. And if you ever recreate this look, then please don't forget to share it with me on my Instagram. I would love to see them. And yeah, so I will not blabber much, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel then please subscribe and also hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And yeah, so now let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to prep my face, and for that I'm using this Swiss Beauty primer. This is oil-free and long-lasting base, and of course it's Diwali, so of course you will be wearing makeup for a long time, so you need to ensure that your makeup looks intact and, you know, just on place. So for that we use a primer, and I'm just warming up the primer between my fingers, and then I'm going to apply it on those areas where I have large pores. And once that is done, you want to even out your skin, and for that you can take a BB cream, CC cream, a foundation, just a concealer, or maybe a foundation stick like me. So I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation stick, and it is Shine Free Balancing Foundation in the number Natural Beige 220. So I'm just going to stripe it across my face and then blend it. Don't forget your neck, because then your face and neck might look of different color. This foundation stick provides a very sheer to medium coverage, so if you want a full coverage then go for a full coverage foundation. And once that is done, you want to highlight your features, and for that we use a concealer which is at least 2 to 3 shades lighter than your actual skin tone. This will just bring out your features, like when you just look at your side, then the things which are popping out, like this area, then this area, and your forehead, your cupid's bow, a little bit of your chin. So those are the areas which you want to highlight. So I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the number 20 Sand Sable, and I'm going to apply it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and a little on my forehead, around my mouth. Now once the concealer is applied, you want to set it in place so that it does not crease throughout the day. So for that I am taking a compact powder. I am using this Lakme 9 to 5 Flawless Matte Complexion Compact in the shade Matte Melon, and I am going to apply it on those areas where I have concealed my face, and I am slightly sweeping this powder all over my face. Now you have highlighted your features, and now you also want to bring some, you know, shadows to your face and some color and warmth. So for that we use a bronzer. So I'm taking this Lakme Absolute Moonlit highlighter, and I'm going to use the darker side of this highlighter, like this one, and I'm going to apply it on the hollows of my cheek, on you know, just to slightly contour my nose and my jawline, so that no double chin is visible in the photographs, and a little on my forehead because I have a bigger forehead. So just to make it small and bring a little bit of shadows, I will be applying it on those areas. So you see, I'm just taking it upwards. You want to blend it to your hairline. So our base makeup is almost complete. I just have to apply some highlighter and a blush, and otherwise it's almost done. So for my eyes, I'm going to use this Lakme Absolute Illuminating Eyeshadow Palette. This is in the variant French Rose. This is going to be my first impressions with this, so I'm really excited to see how it works. but yeah, I will try to keep the eye makeup as simple as possible. So my palette is broken, so please don't mind that, but I think I'm going to pick this orange shade from right here and I'm going to apply it all over my lid. This is such a beautiful orange color, you guys. Very stunning. So now that we have applied that color, I'm going to take a brush and I'm just slightly going to blend the edges. And for my crease, I'm really getting drawn towards these two colors. I really want to try them. So first of all, I'm going with this pink and then I will go with the lighter brown shade. This color has a little bit of sheen to it. It's not completely matte, but it's so gorgeous. Then I'm taking a clean and bigger blending brush and I'm just going to diffuse the ends. And now I think I will not take the lighter brown shade, but this is a very beautiful mauve color. So I will be picking this up and I'm just going to apply it on my outer V. I think I will intensify the orange color of the lid once again. These eyeshadows layer beautifully. They are not as pigmented as it should have been for the price you pay, but it's very beginners friendly. So once that is done, you want to highlight your inner corners and your brow bones. That reminds me that I have not done my eyebrows. So first I will do my eyebrows, and for that I am going to take this APK gel eyeliner in the shade brown. So I am going to fill my brows with this. To fill your brows, you just want to follow the natural shape of your brows and mimic your hair growth. Like, you have to see how your hair grows and in which direction. So for example, on the start of your eyebrows, you want to take it upwards like this, and then you want to take it downwards from the start like this, and towards the end you want to slant it like this. So yeah, now coming back to highlighting your eyes, you want to highlight your inner corners and your brow bone. So I'm going to take this beautiful champagne gold color from here on the sponge that was provided with the eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to pop it into my inner corners. I feel it is too dark for my inner corners, so I'm not going to highlight my brow bone with this, otherwise it would look too dark. So for my highlighter, I'm going to take this Pro Illuminate highlighter from Makeup Revolution, and I am going to highlight my face with this. And then with a fan brush, I am going to apply it on the highest part of my face, that is my cheekbones and the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and a little below my eyebrows. You see the beaming glow? Stunning, isn't it? So next I want to do my eyeliners, and for that I'm taking this Lakme Iconic felt tip eyeliner, and I'm just going to draw a simple winged liner with this. So my eyeliner is also done. Next I'm going to move towards my kajal, and again I'm going to take Lakme Iconic Kajal, and I'm going to tight line and apply it on my waterlines. Then I'm going to take this mauve color and I'm going to smudge my kajal with this. And yeah, I think that would be enough for the eye makeup, and I'm going to take my eyelash curler and I'm going to curl my eyelashes with this, because next we are going with mascara. For my mascara, I'm going to take Maybelline Big Shot Volume Express mascara, beautiful mascara again. I think I will use this dusty pink color as my blush today, because you know, I'm not a blush person. I don't have a lot of blushes, but this one seems so pretty. And you know, blushes will just give you that festive blushy glow. So you just want to smile and place it on the apples of your cheeks. Now our last step is a lipstick. I'm going to use this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Sao Paulo. So yeah, that was it for my today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon in my next video with another makeup look or maybe a review. So yeah, I will see you soon. Bye.